Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for September, so let's get into it. Alright, so here is the bag this month, very astrology themed, I guess. Somebody better call Kathleen Lights and give her their bag because this has her written all over it. It's got like a little gem for the zipper. Really love this bag. Okay, so before we get into the bag, Ipsy has actually released new updates to their Ipsy's subscriptions. So the first update is that you can choose one of the products in your bag beginning on September 24th. And then you can pick up to 5 add-ons. It used to be only 3, so now you can get 5. And they say that you are getting a $50 plus value in every Glam bag. So that's pretty cool. Let's get into the bag. Okay, so first thing in here is from Sundays. And this is a nail polish, I believe. Yep. Nail polish. I told them I like nail polish once and now that's all they send me. So this is like a dusty teal, like a dusty darkened teal color. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty fall shade actually. I do really like this. And this is a full-size nail polish, I'm pretty sure, so that's pretty cool. Next we have, this is a collaboration from Ofra and Madison Miller. So she is a YouTuber who also works with Ipsy, so I guess that's why she put her collaboration in the bag. That's pretty cool. I got the blush in All You Need Is Love. This is like a really pretty peach shade. Definitely my kind of shade. I love peachy blushes, so I will definitely try this out. And looks like this is full size as well. Doing good so far. Next we have from Coola. This is the Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen I haven't tried from Coola. I do use one from Coola. I can't remember what it's called, but it's not this one. I think I use like the white tea something or other sunscreen, but I do really like Coola's products, so I will definitely try this one out. And the SPF is 30 and it's 70% plus organic, whatever that means. Next in here I have Benefit's Gimme Brow. This is in the shade 2 Warm Golden Blonde, so I will have to try this shade out. I've never tried out the shade 2. I usually use shades 1 or 3 depending on my hair color, but you know, whatever. I definitely like the Gimme Brow. It doesn't give as much hold as like brow gel, but it does give like some color and fullness and fibers in there, so I do really like this. And I feel like these samples last forever, so they are pretty good. And then lastly from IBY Beauty, I have the Carry On Highlighter in the shade Private Jet. So here is the compact, and here is the shade. This is like pink to gold looking almost. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. I will definitely try that. That looks really pretty, even as an eyeshadow. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, so that's everything in my Ipsy bag this month. I will put the grand total on the screen wherever. And I feel like I really liked everything that I got in my Ipsy, which is not always the case. I will definitely use everything here. I do paint my own nails regularly, so I will definitely use the nail polish. Sunscreen is a must, so I would definitely try this one out. The blush is definitely a shade I will use, so that's pretty cool. And the Gimme Brow I already know I like. I just haven't tried this shade yet, so get to try out a new shade. And the highlighter is so super pretty. Definitely gonna try that out. So I'm pretty happy with my Ipsy bag this month, if I do say so myself. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags this month and how you're liking everything, and I will see you in my next video.